Horns up and welcome to Headbanger's Kitchen. Before you do anything, I want you guys to hit the thumbs up button on this video, and I want you to leave me a comment below and tell me what dish would you like me to make a keto version of in the comments below. Now let's talk about this video. As you may have guessed from the title that says I'm taking a break. Yep, I am here to let you guys know that I am kind of taking a break. But don't lose your shit just yet. Let me explain. So as many of you know, I am going to the United Kingdom next month for a tour with my band. I will get into the details of that tour a little later in the video. So let me backtrack a little bit now. Since January, I have been doing 3 videos every single week. Monday and Wednesday have been recipe videos. Friday has been either a Keto 101 series or just a general keto vlog that I wanted to put up. Now that's January, February, March and well most of April. So let's say about 15 weeks. 3 videos a week, that's 45 brand new videos, which I'm pretty sure most of you have not seen yet, because well, I have 170,000 subscribers and my videos don't have 170,000 views. So that means you have not caught up on all the videos. And obviously making 3 videos a week takes a lot of time, a lot of effort. And since I'm going to the UK next month for a tour with my band, and I'm actually going to be there for 10 days after the tour, and I'm going there a little bit in advance as well to rehearse with the musicians who are going to be touring with us. It's going to be very hard for me to keep up this schedule of 3 videos a week in May. And the thing is, I don't want to burn out right now trying to film 12 videos, you know, in advance and then have them released while I'm in the UK, because I'll be on the road. I'm not going to be, you know, sitting in one place and chilling. I will be on the road, and I did something similar when I went on my honeymoon, and it was quite a bit of work. And at that time I didn't even have the website. So now it's not just doing a YouTube video, it's also writing a blog post on the website and promoting it, etc, etc, etc. So long story short, there will be videos in May. I'm going to shoot 4 videos before I leave. So for each week in May, you will get 1 recipe video on every Wednesday. And while I'm in the UK, I will also do a couple of live streams. I'm going to be staying a few days in London with my aunt and a few days in Brighton with a friend. And both of them have given me permission to use their kitchen. So I might do some live stream cooking stuff. You know, I've done it before on Facebook, so why not on YouTube this time? So I'm a little excited about that. So there will be videos in May, but it's a bit of a step back from the regular 3 videos every week schedule that I have going on. So I have one request to you guys. While I'm gone, take some time and check out the videos that you have possibly missed so far, because like I said, I've been doing 3 videos a week. We have over 150 keto recipes on the channel, plus vlogs of my carnivore diet, egg fast, my vegan keto, my vegetarian keto. So in case you haven't seen all these videos, spend some time and check them out. I will be extremely grateful. Alright, so now let's talk about my UK tour. I'm going to be playing 10 shows in the UK in different cities, and I would love to invite you all to come and watch my band at the shows. If heavy metal is not your thing, I understand, but if you do like a little bit of then come and check out a show. And I'm going to give you all the details right now, and I will also put them in the video description box, which is just below this video. So those were the cities that we're going to be playing in, along with the venues, and all the details are in the video description box, as I have mentioned earlier. And now for the main event, let's talk about the UK Keto meetup, guys. I'm really looking forward to meeting all of you in the UK, at least those of you who live in the UK. And like I mentioned, I'm going to be staying a couple of extra days in the UK, in London as well as Brighton. So I'd love to do a keto meetup in each of the cities. What I'm going to do is in the video description box below the video, there will be a registration form. So all of you from the UK who would like to be part of the keto meetup, please fill in that registration form. And what I will do is I will fix a date and a venue, and I will send you all an email to let you know where we're meeting. And it'll just be a casual thing. We'll pick a restaurant or a pub, just meet there, hang out, talk about keto, have a few keto drinks or keto snacks or whatever. And I just love to get to meet you guys. So video description box, registration form. The dates will be post the 20th. So between the 21st of May and the 28th of May, one meetup in London, one in Brighton. Of course, you can RSVP later once I have the venue and the date and the time figured out. So that's the reason I want you to fill in the registration form so I can be in touch. Also, if you guys have any suggestions for where we can do the keto meetup in London and in Brighton, please let me know. Any restaurant that has good keto friendly food where we can probably get some keto drinks, I don't know. You guys let me know in the comments below. So that pretty much wraps up this video. I'm taking a bit of a break, so there'll be fewer videos in May because, well, if I don't put out any videos in May, that's career suicide and Headbangers Kitchen will be done with. So please guys, hit that bell icon so that when I do upload videos, you get notifications. And of course, if you don't like YouTube notifications, sign up to the Headbangers Kitchen newsletter on headbangerskitchen.com, and I will email you once every 2 weeks with an update on all the new videos. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. I will see you guys soon. Some of you sooner than you think. Anyway, enough jibber jabber. See you soon. Cheers and keep ketoing.